You have a LinkedIn account. Did you know that you can add a YouTube link right in the featured section of your LinkedIn profile? Well, today on Quick Quips and Tips, we're going to show you exactly how you can do that. You have a LinkedIn account and you want to add a little bit of excitement to your page. What you can do is to pop on a YouTube video that you have. Let's see how you can do this in a few simple steps. I'm going to pop right into my LinkedIn profile and show you that you can add a video right here in your featured section. All you need to do is first go into your YouTube channel, click the share button, grab that URL of that video, just hit the copy button, pop back over to the featured section of your LinkedIn profile, click this plus button, click on the links, and then paste that URL right there and click add. And what will happen is you will get the video featured right here in your profile so that people can meet you or you can showcase a product that you have. You can also add here. You can also add articles, posts, and of course, media. And you can see here, I've added a few things that I want to feature about my business. You can do this very easily by just following those few simple steps. I hope you found this quick quip and tip helpful and hope you apply it today on your social media. Because remember, at Master It Media, we're here to help you take the commotion out of your promotion.